So I'm coming to you with a DIY that I wore. It's probably going to be this photo. I don't know if it's going to be in this corner or this corner. Either way it goes. So this is the outfit that I wore this past weekend. And I just wanted to show you guys a quick DIY. I think this will be great for summer. For this project, you're going to need tights and you'll need scissors. Let's get started. Come over to my tables, darling. So I tried these on, so I'm just going to use these as my measuring tool. So you're going to cut your tights in half, going a little bit further than your knee. And if you have these on, you can cut them while you have them on. But I don't feel like trying mine on, and I'm kind of in a rush today. So there they are, cut. And you want to line it up and pin, and you're going to pin them side by side at equal lengths far apart, or equal lengths apart on the tights. So I would sew mine right there and right there. And my phone might die, so then I would just pin right here and pin right here. Pin again. Pin again. I flipped it over to the other side. And when I pin it down, we're going to make sure that the tights are laid out flat so that they don't look crooked or anything. And then we're going to come and we're going to flip the end. So this is the tight laid out. We're going to flip the end in about 1/4 inch. And then we'll place it down here on the tight. And we'll add our pins. So now, when we go sew it to the sewing machine, it's going to look like seamless. But if we were to do it the other way, it would look like this. So now when we go to the sewing machine, we're going to sew on the inside parts. So we'll sew right here, and then we'll flip to the other side and we'll sew there. So yeah, if you're at home sewing or you have an industrial machine that has zigzag and straight stitch, you're going to use your zigzag stitch for something like this. And I'm actually going to be using a black top thread and a white bottom thread just so that you can see where the stitches are in the soon-to-be overalls that we're going to be wearing. And so yeah, I'll just get started. As I'm sewing, you're going to see me stretching at the same time, okay? Cut off all the tails. And this is what it looks like when you're done on the outside. And then the inside just looks like this. Yeah. And we are all done. Can't see anything. And right. So here is the finish. I decided to try to style it a little bit, but this is what it looks like. And it's super cool. Right now I only have on one pair of tights, but I would typically wear 2 pairs with this, just so it can be darker, because I'm pretty sure my body outline is probably shown, maybe not. But this is a really cool way to style it if you're just going out like to lunch, or like, you know, on a quick shopping trip to the mall, or just out with some girlfriends in the morning during the daytime. If you wanted to take the hat off, and if you wanted to take the hat off, my hair isn't done right now, so I'm not going to do that. Throw on some makeup, red lip, cheetah print heels, or any colored heels, and wear it to the club. You could do that. So this look could pretty much go with everything. I'm super in love, and I'm probably going to be rocking this a lot during the summer. I just found some printed tights, so I can't wait to see what that looks like. But for right now, since this is the tutorial, show you what it looks like. Bow. And I'm going to show you different ways you can rock it, because I'm thinking you could also probably wear it to work out or to the beach. So let me try on different ways for you and show you how we do this. All right, keep watching. All right, I'm back for volleyball. Man, tired. Just kidding. I feel like you can totally wear this to the beach. It's easy, cover up, on and off, and you look good, honey. And like I said, these can be any type. Like, you can do these any color. You could go sheer, you could go whatever color you want. They even have lace tights, so you could do like a cute lace tight version of this and be off to the beach, darling. You all what other tights I got. So I got these. So just imagine something like this, like very cute, simple, plain to the point. And I love flowers, and this probably looks really grandma-ish to you guys, but to me it was pretty fly, and I can just imagine it being really cute. So tights are limitless, and honestly, if you wanted to, you could probably do these with leggings. So if you want like a thicker material, you could go leggings. So that's all that I have. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, or don't. Doesn't matter. I'm still going to keep making videos. Someone will like it. And yeah. Peace out. Peace.